Hi guys, so today I've something very interesting to show you guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to build a website for free, which is very easy. Anybody can do this, whether you're a small business owner, a professional creator, anybody can do this, or if you're someone with a fantastic idea, you can build a website very easily, seamlessly in weeks. I'm gonna do this in weeks, and I will show you step by step how to have a free account and how to build a website in the platform. All right, guys, let's jump into this. So, guys, to get started, what you need to do is first, go at wix.com. Now, right now, I'm going in Wix. So, just have to type wix.com and then you will be finding the address wix.com. So, when you click on this, if you're a new user, then you will find a different homepage. You will find something like this is not a website builder, this is the future. You will see something like that. But since I already have an account, so you can see the websites that I built here. So anyway, this is not a problem. So you can see on the right corner, see you have this create new site, right? So you click on this, okay, and then you will be directed to a different page. So here, so it starts here now. So what kind of website are you creating? So if you want an online store, or if you are a professional, you can build a portfolio, blog, consultant, any type. So just for the sake of this video, we are gonna create an online store website. All right, guys. So we'll click on online store. Okay, and so within the online store, you have these options like are you selling drum or clothing or accessories, art, skate, whatever, whatever. So I'll just go with the clothing store, and don't worry, guys. I'm gonna show you every step how to build a website. All right. Next, okay, it's saying preparing your dashboard. Let's see. So it's asking now. So yeah, let's get you just have to follow whatever the platform is asking you to do to build your website. Okay, so it's gonna ask you a couple of questions first, and then based on your needs and requirements, it's gonna show you or give you a website, according to your preference. So store name, let's just say my name is Suraj, so let's say Suraj store. Okay, and you can skip this, or you can do this later. You can practically do everything later. You can change the name of the store, you can add the logo, you can edit the theme, fonts, whatever later. You can do all of those things later, but if you do it right now, it's gonna show you. It's gonna show you a couple of options, and then like based on which you like, which you prefer, you can go with it. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go with the steps. I'm just gonna follow the steps. So Suraj store, and then you say next, and then it's asking, do you already have an online store? So no, I'm just starting out. Next, and then what would you like to sell? It's asking like physical products, dropshipping products, services, print on demand products, or digital products. So I'm gonna sell, let's say, digital products. All right, let's go with digital products. It's super easy, guys. You just have to follow, whatever the prompt or whatever the questions are coming, and you already have the answers there. So, based on your requirements, you just click on it and then you just click on next. I think it it's ending here, so we're just gonna say next and then continue to dashboard. Okay. Nope. So you can see this, guys. Let's set up your store. It's asking us to, like, if you have a particular, domain that you already have and you want to put it here, you want to use that, you can, use that here. You can put it here, and then it's gonna uh, connect that domain with your website that you're building now, right? Payment methods, yeah, you have to do that because since this is an online store, you have to connect it. But you can do all of that later, guys. All right. Let us say we want to design the site first, and later on, we will connect the domains and everything later. Let's just check out the design first. Okay, so now it's asking how would you like to design your website. So let's let Wix create a site for you, or you want a custom a design template. All right. So since if you are a beginner and you don't have any experience on how to build a website, I would just like to remind you that if you're designing in Wix, you don't need to have any experience in coding or like anything of those things. You don't need to learn any. You don't have to know coding and stuff. You can just do it. You can. It's very easy. You can just drag and drop the elements, the things. Super easy, guys. So let's just see. Let's Wix create a site for you. We'll start with this first, right? Get started. So if when you're asking for like Wix to design the site for you, well, it's gonna ask you some questions, like your preferences, the theme, design template, it's gonna ask you some of those questions. So when that happens, you don't have to get overwhelmed. You just have to, if you're not like feeling okay, you can just say next, or you can just skip the process, and you will find a website, and if you're still not happy with the results, you can edit it. You can edit it, you can change it the way you want it. All right. So we have all these things right now. I don't want to put in any of this info. I just want to see the design first, right? So we just want to have the website first. So let's say next, and now it's asking pick a theme you like. Okay, so I like this fresh theme, right? Or maybe deliberate and strong. Mm, Fresh. Let's go with the fresh one. Okay. So as I've said, everything is gonna happen, by itself. You just have to choose and pick, what is that you like or what you prefer, based on your business or based on your preferences. Next. Okay, now it's saying preparing your homepage designs. Let's see. Okay, so now it's showing us a couple of templates that you can pick from. Either this, see, or this, or this. I think I would like to go with template on the right side. Yeah, let's go with this. Or you can either like um no, it's not possible. So you have to pick one, alright, guys. You have to pick one and then just click on next. And now it's asking what pages you want to add here. Do you want to add a location page? Do you want to have a FAQ page or about us page? Well, if you don't want it to put it right now, even if you're not sure, then you can do add these pages later on. in the editor. Yep, click on next. Now showing preparing your address, adding your pages. Yep. So I so you can see here, guys. Now I know it's showing that congratulations, your site is up and running. So you can view the live site, or you can go to the editor and like edit the website. If there are things or if there are strips or components that you would like to edit, you can do that there. So let's just view the live site first. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, not that bad, not that bad. Home, shop. So guys, you can see here, at the top you have this strip. This site was designed with Wix, so you will have this because you have not bought the package. Since this is a free website, you will be having this. Only after when you have a package, when you have the subscription, this will go away, and then things like that. So for now, you'll be seeing this. Okay, so let's get back to the editor. So we wanna like edit the page, right? So guys, this is how you can like basically build a website. No codes required, no coding required. Any website you like, online store, portfolio, consultation, restaurant, any type of business, any type of website you want it, you can have it built here. No coding required. Very easy. You just have to answer some simple questions which anyone can do, I think. So yeah, guys, this is how you can have a website. Very easy now. So we have another option here. So when you click on get started, you will have to answer a couple of questions, and then the Wix platform will design a website by itself, and then later on, if you think the website that Wix have presented, you feel if that is okay, then you can go with that, or later on, you can make the changes or do the edit. All of those things later on you can do that. Alright, guys. Now the other option is pick a template. So when you click on this, it's gonna show you a large number of templates. You can pick uh, any one of them, according to your preferences and which suits you. Alright, guys. Let's click on this and check it out. Okay. Yeah. So as I've said, now it's showing lots of templates to us. So you can either search here, or you can click from any one of these templates, and then you can proceed with that. So yep, let's just go with any one of them. Yeah, I think I will go with this t-shirt store. Right. So before you can even view it, before you choose it, or before you like completely commit on this. So you can have a feel of how this website or this template look. So yeah, this look pretty neat. I'm actually liking this. Yep. So if you're still not like happy with this template, you can just go back and back to templates, and then you can pick another one. All right. It's the same thing. You can view it again, and then if you think that it's good, then you can go with that. So for now, we're just gonna go with the first template. So review it again. Yep, one more time. Looks pretty nice. Yes, clean. Okay. So yeah, we're happy with this. So you can view it in desktop view, and you can also view it in mobile view. So here it is. So this is how it looks in mobile. Yep, it's pretty nice. So I'm okay with this. Now I want to edit this site. Yep, it's loading, it's loading. So guys, I've given you, two examples, two ways to build this website, to build a website. First, either you let Wix design by itself by feeding it with some informations based on your requirements, and either, you pick, templates that they provide, large number of templates. You can search for it, or you can, like, pick a template that they are presenting, and you click on that, you view that, if it's okay, you go with that. If it's not, then you can go in the editor that I'm going right now, and then, you can make the changes and do the iterations too. Okay, so here you can see, let AI write your site content. So you have to feed this AI, the bot, with some, like, information that you have for the website. So, it's gonna come up with the, like, story or baseline for the website, the text, the storyline of the website. So you can do this here, or you can just manually, like, do the changes, or, like, make the changes according to your needs, right? So now we have here, we are in the editor right now. So for example, I'll show you step by step. So you can change the whole, like, theme of this website just once, not once, but, like, at once. You don't have to do it one by one, selecting each of the components one by one, but you can just change the whole theme of this website by just clicking on this button. So see, you can site theme. Now it's showing green and black, as you can see it here too. So you can change this, color theme. So you pick it here, you pick from here, and then, you change color theme. That's how you do it. So for example, now it's showing green. So I'm gonna change this to, let's say, yellow. Or maybe, yeah. So you can see it instantly here, how it's changing. So, either, if you're happy with this, you can apply, click on apply, and if you're not, just click on cancel. I'm gonna click on cancel since you've seen it, right? And you can also change the text theme, alright? So the headers in this, like, template, you can see that, it's using Arial black. So you can change the whole headers from this template to something, from Arial black to, let's say, Avenir. So it's gonna change, and if you click on apply, you can see the preview here. But when you click on apply, it's gonna change everywhere where the headers are there. It will be changed, right? So you don't have to click on them separately every time, separately. Okay, you just have to click on this button, and whatever the color, the templates, the fonts, you can change them from here directly. You can, edit a lot of things here directly. You don't have to click on them separately. The page transitions, page backgrounds, text theme, color theme. Okay, so here, at the top, you can see there's a button called tools. So when you click on this, here in the website, you can see there's a line, a grid line that's running on the website. You can, like, if you want, you can turn this off, right? If you want, then you can turn this on. You can turn on the rulers, for precise detailing, and then toolbar. So this toolbar, this is very helpful, if you're not able to find something, you can just click on toolbar, and you can, if you want to delete something or if you want to copy something, right, you can see the position, the width of the object, the height of the project object, and then the position of the object, right. You can check all of this here in this toolbar. For example, let's see what is the size of this button. Okay guys, so you click on this, and then it's showing that width is 191 and height is 43, and then the x position is 394, and then the y axis is 2379. Okay, so when I move this, you see the x and y are changing, right? And for example, when I click on the height, and then now it's 43, but when I say it's, let's say for example 50, and click on enter, see the height changes. So it's pretty simple guys. Let's get that back again. You can either click on this undo button or redo button. Alright guys, if you made any changes that you don't want to make, then you can do that. Okay, so now if you want to change the images, you click on the image, and change column background. So you can click on images, and when you click on images, you will find stock images, or you can upload images that you have for your product. Okay guys, yeah, just click on it, and then change background, and then the magic will happen. Okay, yep. And I will tell you, what are these things on the left side. So this add elements button. So when you click on this, you can basically add everything, everything that you need in a website, that you want in a website. Text, headlines, sub headlines, paragraph, whatever text that you want, you can put it from here. And then images, you can explore more. So but any type of images, you can add it from here. And buttons, you can see a lot of buttons. So there's a lot of options for us to pick. And strips, so strips are basically uh, sections, things inside the sections. So you can put the image strip, or you can just put the blank strip, a classic strip. Now when you click on feature, you can see it's gonna help you a lot. Instead of trying to design with your own, it have this, they have this own pre-built strips design. So you can click on this, it makes things a lot easier. Decorative, so here you will find yeah, arrows, icons, and illustration, graphics. You can find all sort of things here. And boxes, listed boxes. So these are basically frames, and you can insert your images here. The images are gonna take the shape of these boxes. And yeah, these hover boxes, it works very nice. When you hover on this, some kind of animation will happen, and it will make the images more attractive and more interactive. Galleries, these are basically photos, viewer, like when you uh, use them, you will find when you click on an image, it pops up, right? So that's the thing, this is just an image viewer application. The way you want to present your image, or you want your images, product images, anything, you want to present them, you can select from here, and then you can use them from here. Okay, and these are sections. So as I've said guys, these things, these are basically, So when I click on here, you can see this change section background. So this is the section that I'm talking about. So inside the section, you can put the strips, and then the like the gallery that I've mentioned earlier. So this is the gallery. When you click on this, your image will pop up, and then you can view it in a larger view. And this is pages and images menu. So you will find the all the pages. You can view all the pages that you have in your website, and you can pick from here, and then you can either edit it, or you can just check whether everything is okay or not. And this is add app. So this is basically like an app store for Wix, for your website. You can basically find any type of apps that you want to integrate in your website. Like for example, drop shipping, or let's say famous Zapier, or even booking tools, right? Or barcode reader, forums, social media feeds, and a lot of stuff. You can basically find any type of apps that you need for your website. You know, so you don't need to go anywhere. Anywhere else to like anywhere else to find the app that you want to add in your website, or you want to integrate. For your business purposes, or anything related to your requirements. And media is basically videos and stuff that you want to add. Most of them are stock videos, and if you have your own product videos, or your own video, you can add it from here. Or you can even uh, make your own video from here, or uh, edit, or like do nice edits on your photo from here itself. You can do that. And this is CMS, control management system. So when you do this, what it's gonna do is it's gonna show a list of products, or informations or contents that you have. So if you click on find out more, you will learn more about this. So guys, if you wanna check more on this, definitely check on this more. So check this out. If you're not familiar with this. You're cool. Okay, guys. So let's review our website. Yep, they Okay. So guys, this is how you build a website, for free, without any knowledge of coding. This is how you do it, guys. Very simple. And guys, if you have any questions or confusions or doubt, how to build your website, you let me know. You comment, and then I will tell you. I will reply back, and then I will tell you. These are the things how you have to do it, and then we can do this together. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.